Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ant here, and today we are going to be typing on a path. So let's put some text on a path, and we'll do something wavy today. So only thing we have to do is open up Illustrator, head on over to our pencil tool. Let's hit N on the keyboard, grab our pencil tool here, and let's make something kind of wavy a little bit. That will work. Now let's grab our type tool or text tool, hit T, and let's just type out something. Okay. Okay, now that font, we can definitely not see it, so we have to enlarge it a little bit. So we need this bigger than that. So what we'll do is, let's make this bigger. Hit Shift, go up here to our fonts and make it bigger. I think that looks good. Now we are definitely going to have to change the font here. I'd like to see it just a little bit bolder. I think this looks pretty fun. All right, let's go up a couple more points here. One too many. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. All right, so now that we got that part done, now we can just have a little bit of fun with it. So my idea here is to take Embrace the Struggle and stack them on top of each other. So what that will look like is this here. So we'll just click on our text here, hit Control Shift and G. That ungroups everything, and we will group them by word. Control G, Control G, and last but not least, Control G. So let's see what this looks like if we were to stack them on top of each other. What do you think? Not bad. Now I can see this on a t-shirt just like this. Now, of course, you can add more to it if you like, but I can see it just like this on a t-shirt. Gives me an idea, guys. What do you think? So there you have it, my friend. Ladies and gentlemen, that is one of the quickest and easiest ways to write text on a path. And in this case, we made it wavy. Like always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.